National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Wheeler County, northeastern Carson County, eastern Hutchinson County, Gray County, Roberts County, Hemphill County, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles north of White Deer to 6 miles south of the Fours, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Pampa, Canadian, Miama, White Deer, LaFours, Skellatown, Mobile, Glazer, Kellerville, Laura, Kingsmill, Codman, Lake Marvin, and Mobile. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Carson, Gray, Hemphill, Hutchinson, Roberts, and Wheeler.
This message from the Emergency Alert System is now concluded. From WeatherScan 24/7 online radio.